In this video, you'll learn how to import a CSV file into Notion. This process enables you to bring in structured data, making it easier to manage and organize your information within the platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion logo along with options for signing in or creating a new account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner of the screen. After signing in, locate your profile icon, which is also positioned in the upper right corner. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to access your account settings. The screen will refresh, displaying various options related to your account workspace. Within the Settings menu, look for the Import option on the left sidebar. Click on Import and a new screen will appear, providing you with several import options. This is the point where you can choose the file type you wish to import into Notion. Next, click on the CSV option, which will allow you to upload a CSV file. Once you select this, a file dialog will open, prompting you to choose a file from your computer. It's important to ensure that the file you wish to upload is in CSV format and is accessible. Now click on the Choose File button in the dialog. You will need to navigate to your computer's file system. Typically, you will want to go to your Downloads folder, as this is where files are often saved after being downloaded from the internet. Once you are in the Downloads folder, look for the CSV file you want to upload. The file name should match what you remember from when you downloaded it. Selecting the correct file is crucial for ensuring that the data imports correctly into Notion. After you find the desired CSV file, click on it to select it and then click the Open button in the dialog. This action will initiate the upload process. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a moment. Larger files may require more time to upload. Once the upload is complete, you will see an option labeled Map CSV Headers. Click on this to ensure that the headers in your CSV file align correctly with the corresponding fields in Notion. This step is important for maintaining the integrity of your data during the import. Finally, click on the Import CSV button to complete the process. After a brief moment, the data from your CSV file will be imported into Notion and you will be returned to your workspace. To confirm that the import was successful, click on a blank space within your workspace to view the newly added data. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.